sila ng mga teacher. Tapos pare-pareho sila nakahibot.
Guess who's back? Going to a resort or a beach. Me! Look. Hello, Alpha Sigma. Girl, I'm not Amara. Look. Hi. Say hi. Girl, to go. We're gonna go on 3 a.m. I think. We're gonna go on 3 a.m. So like, I don't know what to do.
Hawak na lang bro. Anong bro?
Hawak mo lang. Mamaya later na.
Ay, di pa ka naglalaro ng gram. Ano ko baba pa yun? Sino ka balik?
I'm back. I just drank
Uy,
water.
ang gawin na raw yung band. Ay, ang maga naman.
Sabog ng balis ka nga naman.
Balis na pala.
Andito na kasi
Tabi ka ba, boss?
on the way na kami.
Girl!
Paano ba? Pag dumating ka na maaga, iwanan natin si Justin.
Ikaw girl.
Let's just put spaghetti.
Yes, compute ka na. Ito yung
Look at her. She's so cute.
Ano oras out niya? Alam ko, alas basta out yung bakla eh.
Let's go sa out niya. Basta na naman natin.
Lama, cravings. Ano?
Para pagkasin mo na yun.
Yan, taga
Open? No! Wag!
Anong lane? Anong lane?
O kaya naman pala. Saan ka ba? Taga saan?
Bet mo.
I'll come back to you guys later when we're in the car. Bye. It's your girlie. 2 hours later, we're going now. Yeah.
Hindi, para ibabaulan mo.
2 hours later. Girl, look. Say hi. Hi. Ay, hi. Mag-hi ka. 2 hours later.
Labas na, labas na. Labas na dito, isa labas.
Walabasin mo na yung mga...
Okay, Mara. Bye, Bulinggit. Joke lang. We are going soon.
Who's that?
Wait. Nag-record ako. Oh, wait, I forgot something. Anyways.
Hindi niya tinatandaan nila. Oh, na. Iya, yung cellphone.
Why? What's wrong? Wait, guys. Okay, we'll see you later. I'll probably make a part 2, guys. Okay, bye. Girlie going. Ano ba? It's your girlie on the way. Yeah. Amara, say hi again. Wait. Hi, say hi.
Man, ano ba't kagad dyan?
You guys can see her. Wait. I'll post part 2. It's gonna be out in a few minutes. So like, yeah, bye.